Guys, today I am going to show you how to run exe file on Mac. There is only one thing that Windows users criticize about Mac, that it can't run exe files. That is the main flaw. But today we are able to play games like GTA Vice City and any of small big program, and we can also run install anything. So first we have to go to the website, which is given link in the description. You have to download this file, Winebottler 1.6.1 stable version. Even it's for OS X Yosemite, Mavericks, Mountain Lion, or Snow Leopard. Yes, here it is not written Yosemite, but it runs on this also. See, I am running OS Yosemite myself. 10.10.1. It works perfectly. So you have to download this stable version. We will come back later about this development version, which is in beta mode. So download this file, guys, which I have already downloaded and put it here. So now we have to do just so here it opens a window. So just transfer these two applications into drag drop just like this to the applications. It will take some 5 seconds time, but job is now done. So now we will check that is it running properly or not. Now you can eject this, which we have this file. We even don't need this file now. Now we go to applications. In applications, see here Wine and Winebottler are automatically come. Now we will play run GTA Vice City. Try. Let's try. We can also installation will also come. Now let's see how installation can. So this is Counter 1.6, the most famous, or we can say most playable game since 1994. We can just double click on this. Wine will automatically verify the exe file, and just first time it is, so it will taking some time. So you have to do this application downloaded from internet. I sure you want to open, yeah, open. And this is the important part, but by default it is this, and just keep it like this. We will come back later to the second option. Then go see the installation has become now. So just now I am going to exit, and if you want to help me help sorry, sorry. If you want that to I should help you with this, I will make another video. But it's damn simple, that you have to just install like every other game in Windows. So now we will do run directly the GT Vice City or installation. I have not direct files of any games, only direct files of it. So we play GTA, most of us like this only. Then just double click the exe file, and in even in this we have to select the first option only. Okay, so and see, the game is now started. So uh, every other games also run. I'm also going to show you Call of Duty also. I'm just going to quit this. and let's see Call of Duty, which I think it runs. Okay. Select first option and it's opening. Infinity Ward. I'm going to skip this. I also skip this. Now see here it is resume game, new game. So Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare is also running on Mac. So now let's come to the second part. The second option which we saw in the wine window. So in the now here the second option is about to create a directly Mac app. So select the second, convert to simple Mac OS application bundle with Winebottler and select go. So again open and the Winebottler will pop up a dialog box like this. And here are these three are only main important. This is installer, execute it. No, this is not an installer. You can I have shown you the last Counter Strike exe file. You can select this and install, but in this is actual program because it is all installation file, and copy it and all files that are in same folder. So it will copy and select all the files which is in current folder and make a macOS app. And here it is written which is the main executable file. It has taken correctly because we double clicked on the gta vc.exe. So I will click install, and what you have to main name, I am just going to gta and on the desktop and save. So it will take some time and it will run some. It's a big app, means big game, about 1.73 GB. It will create. So now it is creating this file. It's just taking some time. After creating this, it prefix created successfully, and you can close this and you can exit this, quit this, you want whatever. But this is the option when we click that this is a wine. By default it will open when we first double click on the exe file. By default it will let this running. In GTA double click on first time it is, so it will run some like this, take some time. GTA and see this is the direct Mac app which is running of Counter sorry Counter sorry GTA. So this is direct second option of Winebottler. So guys, if you have any doubt, please comment in the video anything. And yes, about the other options, if any game or any other things that you are trying to execute exe file, that any applications that not running directly with this stable version, you can install this development version after uninstalling that completely and then installing that. Okay, so here you can do just like that. First you have to quit that wine, and yes, quit, and then from the applications, so from here to directly to thrash. Okay, so now it's uninstalled completely, and now I have that development version myself. So So now you can do the same procedure and it will install the development and you can try whichever the game is not working. Okay, so I'm not going to run this. It's better to be on stable version. Even on 10.10.1, any software, any OS about 10.6 or 10.5, I don't know guys, but it's good for the latest version. Okay, do you, if you want any help with the installation, like I showed you from the Counter Strike, any installation or anything, just comment and I will make video. Thank you guys. My name is RV. Okay, bye.